So first, or on the way, we will learn the techniques that we need to transform an entity relationship model into a relational database. And as I said earlier, there are very precise rules that allow us to do this really in a step-by-step manner. So there's a set of rules that we can simply apply to our entity relationship model and then end up with a relational database model. And we will try to introduce these rules while we look at Airtable. Okay, so when you are signed into Airtable, what you should see is your workspaces, and underneath a workspace you can add so-called bases. And the distinction is that a base is a database, like we have seen before, a database with many tables. We can add tables to a base. So a base is something that we create for transforming, for example, this into a database. A base is also what you will create for your case study phase 2. So a base is basically a database, and a workspace, which is here information management, there is no base yet, is a collection of databases. So you can, the reason why workspaces exist, I can invite others to collaborate on a workspace. So if I have more than one database, I can invite you all to join the information management workspace, and you would all then have access to all the bases in that workspace. That's the idea. So the workspace is a collection of databases, but we only work with one database. And what I want you to do is click on Add Base, and then you have 3 options. Start from a template, import a spreadsheet, or start from scratch. I think they speak for themselves. So Airtable offers a lot of templates for common use cases, such as customer relationship management. And when you want to manage customers, you click on template, look for a customer relationship management template, and then you get like a blueprint database that you can then adjust for your needs. They offer, as I said, a lot. You can browse through them. We don't need them here because we want to start from scratch. We want to, step by step build our own database. And the second option that we have is we can also import a spreadsheet. So if we have a Google spreadsheet or an Excel, we can upload it here, and we will start with a version of that spreadsheet put into a relational model. Basically, we will have tables according to the sheets in our spreadsheet. So this, if you already have the data, no need to put it in manually. It can be uploaded, and we can start from there. But as I said, we will start from scratch, and that's why we select start from scratch. And then what we need to do is find a suitable name. We can assign a color, and we can assign a symbol. So I will call this, I don't know, student modules. If you have a better name, you can use whatever you like, and I'll choose a blue color for that because I like blue. And then, I don't know, I use I think there was it doesn't really matter, so I'll just use this one, which depicts people. So you can also directly from here share, duplicate it. You can use Slack notification. You can integrate Airtable with Slack, which is a nice feature. If you collaborate on Slack and store your data in Airtable, then you can have notifications if somebody adds a new customer or something like that. So, but for us, it's enough if we choose a suitable name. And now I need to be able. Yeah, so that's it. And then simply click on it, and it will open.